If you're not doing this one thing when making pad thai, you're doing it wrong. Here's what you need to make pad thai. You'll need tamarind paste, white vinegar. You'll need some garlic chives that have been cut into 2-inch pieces. You'll need sugar, a little bit of cooking oil, ketchup, marinated chicken. We're gonna slice our chicken breast really thin. After this is all sliced, you want to take a little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of cooking wine, and some salt and white pepper, and marinate it for about 20 minutes before you use it in your stir fry. Adding cornstarch and cooking wine and even a little bit of water will help you plump your chicken and keep it moist after it's cooking. Paprika, fish sauce, bean sprouts, peanuts, a lime to garnish, an egg, and soaked pad thai noodles. Heat your wok and add a little bit of oil. Add in your marinated chicken and saute till halfway done. Ever wonder how pad thai came about? Years ago, Thailand wanted to promote tourism. Thailand was hoping that people would fall in love with this dish and then want to travel to the country. That dish is pad thai. Crack your egg and add it to your wok. Swirl your egg around a little bit when kernels start to form. Add in your noodles and stir. The right kind of noodles you'll need to make pad thai are dried rice noodles. And the size you'll get, and there's so many brands out there, but the size you'll get is either medium or large. What you'll do is you'll take them and soak them in cold water overnight. You want to soak them in cold water because hot water tends to make these noodles mushy. To save even more time, your favorite Asian market might even sell these pre-soaked pad thai noodles in the refrigerated section. You'll want to start adding in your sauces. Add in your ketchup, your tamarind, vinegar, and fish sauce. Add in your sugar, and your paprika. Now add in your bean sprouts and your chives. Give this a couple of tosses. And we're ready to plate. You want to garnish this with a wedge of lime and some fresh roasted peanuts. When making Southeast Asian food, especially when making pad thai, you want to make sure that each dish has plenty of sour, sweet, and salty in every bite. This dish also has that pillowy softness of the noodles, the crunch of the bean sprouts, and also the crunch of the peanuts that finish out and keeps the dish interesting to eat. This dish has so much interest in flavors and textures that you'll want to eat the whole plate. I hope you'll love this as much as I do.